What is bag in Korean? The Korean term for bag is kabang. Again, it's kabang. This is pronounced with two syllables. The first syllable is ga, the second syllable is bang. Pronounce it with me. Kabang. Kabang. How do we write kabang in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable, ga. First, we need to draw a giyok or the J character, followed by the a character. Then, for the second syllable bang, we need to draw first a biyop or the p or p character in Korean, followed by the a character, followed by the iyang character. Then, we just need to combine to form the Hangul of gabang. And now, you already know what is bag in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.